Hey there, are you ready to discover how you can achieve your biggest dream? Take just a few minutes out of your time today and you could easily change your life. Don't worry, no experience necessary. Keep on watching this video and you won't regret it.
In recent times, paid surveys in India have kindled the interest of many who want to make a living from home. It's an easy way to earn money online. You are probably thinking there must be a catch. Actually, there are none. Online paid survey sites in India are segments of market research enterprises. They are specifically designed to conduct surveys for their parent bodies. This helps them develop new products and services, all with the purpose of improving them. They actually need your opinion about their products or services to increase their product value. Paid surveys in India are great to earn you extra money online. Take a few free paid surveys, then get paid via PayPal, Amazon gift cards, check, or other lucrative prizes. All you have to do is become a member of their survey panel. You will get to participate in surveys that pay you money.